Do you remember the Tui Blue Marmaris, which is now known as the Marmaris Bay Resort Hotel? It's in Marmaris, obviously, in Turkey. Now, I've got some incredible news to share with you about what they're going to do, because last year there was a big problem, and I run a Facebook group. You can find it in my links, which you know where they all are. A lot of people were saying they weren't very happy last year. The management had changed, things weren't going very smoothly, and there was one lady even said she had to eat her yogurt in the morning with a fork because there wasn't enough cutlery. It was really down to basics. Now, I have had some amazing conversations with a brand new manager who said that there's a new management team, there's a new company has taken over the hotel, and they've invited me to go out to check it out. So you can call me brave if you like, but I'm taking a leap of faith, and I'm pretty sure that it's all going to be amazing. I think the fact that they've come with open arms and said, come on in, have a look around, film it for YouTube and for everywhere else, and put it on the platforms to just show people to have faith back in this hotel. Now, you might have seen I went there lots of times in 2018, 2019 with my family, initially kind of for a holiday, and that's almost how this whole travel vlogging thing started to kick off, because there was a lot of interest around it, with good reason as well. It is a beautiful hotel. It's an amazing location. The entertainment back then was fabulous, and I really fell in love with the place. It was very special. It was right on a peninsula in Turkey, and you could get a little boat across to the main area of Marmaris, and it had so much to offer. Now, it's obviously very sad to hear what happened last year, but if you're ready to take a leap of faith already, I will put links to booking the hotel in my bio things that you can have a little look. It's always going to be labelled very clearly what it is, and also there's going to be some TUI discount codes within there as well if you're booking through TUI, but I'll put some different links for various ways of booking. That's if you want to take the leap of faith. So they open again on the 1st of May. I will be going out there in June. That's the earliest I can get there, because I am quite booked up with travel reviews and things like that, but I'm going to get out there as soon as I can, and I will be quick. I'm going to, hopefully, if the Wi-Fi is good out there, I will do some lives while I'm there. So make sure you followed along for that. Just subscribe and put the notifications on and all that good stuff so that you won't miss any of that. If you're going to go and you're already booked, leave me comments and let me know. And let me know what your kind of ideas are for what you're going to do out there, how you're going to make sure that everything's going to be all right. Because for me, I'm pretty confident it's going to be good. I have stayed in some hotels before, which the management hasn't invited me to with good reason, because they've got things to hide. Now, I think if they're coming in and saying, come on in, like they did at the Royal Albatross Moderna with me recently, they were so open. They were so like, let us show you our amazing showcase of a hotel. And I was, thrilled. So I'm really happy to be working with the manager of this hotel, and to just showcase you everything. I said, can I interview you? Can I put it on camera for everybody to see, so that the people that are booking have got a bit of faith in what's going to be occurring? So that's going to be happening in June. There's booking links, and I would really appreciate if you use my booking links. It really helps me to support doing all of this kind of stuff and bringing you as much free content as I can. It doesn't cost you any more. It is an affiliate link, so it means that if you book with TUI, for example, they'll give me about 1%, something like that, just to be completely transparent. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it really will help me out. TUI don't need that 1%, otherwise they wouldn't offer it in the first place. I am really hoping that they have turned it around at the Marmaris Bay Resort Hotel. It was fabulous when I went before. I haven't been since it wasn't TUI. Like I say, I just run this Facebook group, and there's a lot of questions and answers in there. This video will also be going in the Facebook group, but like I say, there's links around if you want to join, so that you can discuss things, and it's not kind of a bitch fest about what happened last year. Let's leave that in the past. Let's look forward. And like I say, if you want to make that leap of faith now, or if you want to wait until I'm getting out there as early in the season as I can, so that you can still got time to book it. If you found this helpful, and you'll find the others helpful, you know what to do. You know to follow along and just keep an eye on everything that's happening. So I really will be honest. I have said that to the manager. I need to be honest, because everybody likes my transparency on these channels, and I couldn't come to you and say, oh, it's great, and then you go there and you're like, it's rubbish. Obviously, there's going to be an element of my opinion, and your opinion is going to be a bit different here and there. But generally, if the food's rubbish, I'll tell you the food's rubbish. If the beds are hard, I'll say the beds are hard. So I hope that you will, follow along for more. And it's such good value going out there to Turkey. Marmaris Bay Resort doesn't open till the 1st of May because that area of Turkey is a little bit subject to the weather, more so than like wrong country, kind of Antalya area is open all year round. So hopefully, you know, it's going to be great and I can bring you really, really good news. I can't wait. And like I say, you know where to find all the links. But if you've got questions, let me have them below. If you've got something you want to offer up for other people reading in the comments, let's have that conversation. I read all of the comments and I'll reply to as many as I possibly can. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. My name's Louise. I am an all-inclusive kind of, I suppose, expert and a nutritionist. So I will bring you all the things that I will find regarding food, allergy requirements, accessibility, all that good stuff. So I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye for now. Nathan making friends with the cat. So we're trying to video the selfie that you do. Hi. I love this little outfit that I've got. It's really cute with the frog. Oh, sorry, you waiting for the selfies. Okay, let's go.
It was good.
Now it's settled at the swimming pool.